Welcome to AI Plus More, your gateway to cutting-edge AI technologies. In this in-depth tutorial, we will delve into the fascinating world of HeyGen AI, an advanced AI video generation tool that empowers individuals and businesses to create captivating and professional quality videos effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned content creator, a marketing professional, an educator, or an entrepreneur, HeyGen AI offers a revolutionary solution to transform your video production process. We'll delve into each of its features, including a diverse library of AI avatars, customizable visuals, multi-language support, and seamless integration with other tools. Okay, we're here at the HeyGen platform. Let's scroll a little bit to look around. What we're gonna do is create our own AI avatars so we can do our videos. You could use this for marketing, and I've mentioned other things. You can see here that you can do videos in 3 easy steps. Pick your avatar, input your script, and submit to generate videos. So you can see there's over 300 voices. We'll talk about a little bit about that in a little, but I'm gonna sign in. So this is what you'll see after logging in. I logged in with my Google account. There's a lot of templates to choose from when you click on the template tab right here on the left. You can see we have Google Ads, pastel search style. That's actually really pretty. There's a furniture shop, there's football news, there's a pitch deck, there's a business webinar. A lot of these are really applicable for podcasts, for YouTube videos. Let's try out, let's start from the avatar tab, and then we'll see what we can do. Let's select an avatar where we see everything that it can do. I don't know if this one is premium or not. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's a premium character. Let's listen to what he has to say.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
That is great. Let's go ahead and create video. And let's go over some of the options. As you can see, we're in the Avatar Lite version. If you get into the Avatar Pro, you'll see some more characters, but there's a lot of public avatars already. You can change your avatar, you can do a talking photo. Let's go over to text and add a title. Let's check some of these. It looks a little bit like the Canva program. Let's go with this and say, here's 22 summer collection, and let's make it like this. We'll change the color of the letter so it contrasts a little bit more, and we can do that over here at the top left. And we can move this summer collection to a red over here. As you can see, when you select the text, there's a lot of options to change it. You can change the layer, you can duplicate, you can copy it, you can delete it. We can do how the font will align. Let's delete these because we're not going to use them. We already have a title. Let's go over to elements and see what they have there. As you can see, they have a lot of images that are super useful. They looked very touristy, so these would be super useful if you're doing like a marketing campaign for whoa. Oh, since I clicked on it twice, it appeared twice. There we go. We're going to make this the size of our canvas, and it looks like it's a little bigger, but the bleed is no problem. We'll change the layer by clicking, and we'll send it backward. Send it backward one more. There we go. Let's make this 2022 a lot bigger because I don't think it's going to look really good like this. And let's change it to a more contrasting color. I think over here, white would be good unless it's touching with the cloud. That looks good. This summer collection is good here. Maybe we could change the font. The font selection is pretty good. That one's good. I don't like the color though, so let's change that up. I am not finding anything better than white for this kind of background. Perhaps you could suggest one in the comments. And let's do it like that. That's good. So now over here on this text box, you can see that the text script and the audio script, we could record something right now and see how that comes out. And let's click it. We could. And it looks like with that, we can give our character our voice. We could record something right now and see how that comes out. That's good. Let's record another one though. I'm gonna try the text script by typing out something along the lines of. That's good. Let's move the character because I think it looks a little bit better on the side for this kind of background. And let's move summer collection. And also let's change the year just since we're doing something new. Let's do 2023. There you go. Let's hear how that would sound. So our voice right now is Eric. It's not the same as our avatar. That can change. We can change the avatar at any point, and that wouldn't change our voice, and we can change the voice, and it wouldn't change the avatar necessarily. I'm adding some buttons just to show you the versatility of the program. Super quick and easy, and I did it, and I can check over here the amount of pixels each little icon has, so I can do them the same size. There you go. Let's keep it over here. Let's listen to how that script sounds.
We're so excited for you to check out our brand new summer collection. Make your way to our store ASAP.
Sounds good. I don't think that ASAP sounds very natural. Right away sounds good. Whilst hurry while stocks last. And maybe let's try another voice, because I didn't really like that one.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Some of these are premium, as you can see, like this one, Charles, or Alexander over here. Let's try a Christopher.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hi, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
I think I like Tony more than Eric. That is the one that we're using. So let's go with Tony and play the script.
We're so excited for you to check out our brand new summer collection. Make your way to our store right away. Hurry while stocks last.
That's great. We can change the speed right over here on the right. Let's try out going a little bit higher and see how that sounds, and maybe a little bit faster. I thought it was a little bit on the slow side. So you can see anytime that I change up the speed, this will change, or I change out the text, this will change its length. And we could add another scene in just a bit, but let's listen to this.
We're so excited for you to check out our brand new summer collection. Make your way to our store right away. Hurry while stocks last.
I think that was pretty good in terms of speed, but a little bit too high. It sounds like a little elf. Let's do a second scene, maybe. Let's go to the left and add avatars, or let's try one of the templates out. We can, of course, create our own video templates, but we're going to use one that is from the program. As you can see, some of these are premium, but a lot of them. Let's make it more consistent with the brand that we were kind of making up. So let's say, and let's listen to how that sounds.
The summer collection comes along with a brand menu, and we're sure you're gonna love it.
That is great. I forgot the word new. And also, I think, as you can see, there's also a GPT script writer. We can try that out for a new scene. And we could also translate this or add pauses. Maybe let's do one last scene with the GPT. Oh, I actually like the placement of that. So I guess this is already a GPT suggested kind of text, but let's try out another one. We can see here the GPT-4 writer. So it sounds like this company that we're creating is kind of this hotel that sells a lot of things, including it has a restaurant and housekeeping. Let's do shorter. Here's a shorter, or professionally trained domestic helpers. Sure, that sounds good. Applying close. Perfect. And let's, again, do them a little quicker because I find them to be on the slow side. Let's listen to that.
Our professionally trained domestic helpers ensure a clean and comfortable home for our customers.
That's great. If we're going to do a consistent brand, let's do stay, just so we're talking about a hotel. And I think those are good. I think we can export that and we can go to here and we could preview it. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and submit it. I'm not gonna submit a 4K because that's in the premium brand and it'll take a lot longer to render. But let's go ahead and submit it and see how long it takes. So after only a few minutes, we have our finished video. Let's go ahead and watch that.
We're so excited for you to check out our brand new summer collection. Make your way to our store right away. Hurry while stocks last.
The summer collection comes along with a brand new menu, and we're sure you're gonna love it.
Our professionally trained domestic helpers ensure a clean and comfortable stay for our customers.
So that was great and super practical. They looked pretty realistic, which was quite surprising. And also it came with the captions that we can download after this. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and download it in 720p or in 1080p. Download the original video, you can export the captions or prepare a caption video. You can edit it as a new, get the video ID, and you can set the video as public by just turning on this toggle on the right. You would then copy the link and then you can share it with anyone. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to know about future videos. Let's continue with the video. Let's go on a quick word about pricing. You can choose the best plan for you. You get a 20% discount if you pay yearly. The free plan, no credit card needed to get started. You get 1 free credit, 1 minute max duration, 1 seat, 120 plus avatars, and 300 voices. Also, you get voice clone as a paid add-on. Moving on to the creator plan, you get 15 credits per month, 5-minute maximum duration per video, and all the other perks of the other plan. You also get auto captions and no watermark. Moving on to the business plan at $72 a month with a sliding scale that moves on up as you add credits, but you get 30 credits a month at the base. You get a 20-minute max duration per video, 3 seats, 120 plus avatars, premium voices, and everything else that was included. But you also get 4K resolution video, a brand kit, and priority video processing. So keep that in mind. You can slide that all the way to the right and it'll be $720 per month, and you get 300 credits and everything else. Let's also mention the plan Enterprise, where you can talk to sales when you have large usage up to unlimited videos. Well, this has been the complete comprehensive tutorial on HeyGen AI. Armed with its knowledge, you're ready to embark on a journey of creative video production, revolutionizing your communication strategies with the power of AI. Whether you're a marketer aiming to engage your audience or an educator striving to enhance learning experiences, HeyGen AI is your partner in creating compelling videos that captivate and inspire. Remember, the possibilities are limitless. HeyGen AI is your tool for turning ideas into captivating visual stories. Here, AI plus more, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know about future videos. Make sure you check out these other videos, and I'll see you on the next one.